हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। इस वीडियो में हम जिस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं इट इज़ वाई बोर्डम इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। बोर्डम, यू मस्ट हैव थिंकिंग कि बोर्डम इम्पॉर्टेंट कैसे हो सकता है। बोर्डम तो सबसे ख़राब चीज़ है ज़िंदगी का। बोर्डम से कैसे अच्छी हो कोई चीज़ अच्छी कैसे हो सकती है। और मैं ये भी बात करूँगा कि क्यों बोर्डम हमारे लाइफ में, हमारे ज़िंदगी में ज़रूरी है। वाई बीइंग बोर्ड इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। वाई डूइंग नथिंग इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। लेट्स डू द वीडियो। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। तो हम शुरू करते पहले इस बात से कि हाउ ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन हैपन, हाउ वी हैव केम हियर फ्रॉम द प्लेस वेयर वी वर thousands of years ago. So you all have read this in your history books and your geography books कि we started as a hunter or a community which was very much dependent on hunting as well as on the plants and trees for the survival. So the main focus of our life was to gather food for ourselves to survive. तो हम ऐसे लोग हैं जो, या जैसे एनिमल्स होते हैं, उनका फुल फोकस इस बात पे होता है कि वो कैसे उस दिन का सर्वाइवल कर सकें, वो कैसे उस दिन अपने लिए, अपने घर के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए खाने का इंतज़ाम कर सकें। फिर ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट और ग्रोथ के बाद एक ऐसा फेज आता है व्हेन थिंग्स आर वेरी मच स्टेबलाइज्ड बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फ्री टाइम। इट इज़ नॉट द इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन येट हैपेंड। तो लोग के पास इंटरटेनमेंट का ऑप्शन ये होता है, लोग बात करते हैं, गैदर होते हैं। वी हैव रेड इन द हिस्ट्री बुक्स दैट पीपल यूज्ड टू सिट अराउंड, ड्रिंक अराउंड, they had some dance. So there was a lot of entertainment options but it had some constraint. They used to do it, but it was only in the evening, late evening, and it was not considered as a good thing in the eyes of majority of the people कि वो it is not a good thing. फिर आता है इंडस्ट्रियल एवोल्यूशन, एक वो फेज जहाँ पे जो लेबर है, इट वुड बी अ guy who would work in the plant or in the industry or in the factory. बट उनकी भी छुट्टी थी, उनके भी प्लांट आवर्स के बाद उनके पास फ्री टाइम था। देन दे यूज्ड टू सिट, रीड। सो एक नया जॉनर पैदा होता है, एक नया एंटरटेनमेंट का इंडस्ट्री पैदा होता है जिसको हम नॉवल, बुक्स, टेक्स्ट राइटिंग्स, लिटरेचर बोलते हैं। इट वॉज केटरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल in terms of entertainment. It used to kill their boredom, but all these options had some constraint with it. Constraint basically means all these options were there, but it was not very much attractive to everyone because it was not serving, or it was not catering everyone, every individual of the society. It was just catering the particular individuals who are interested in that. So not everybody want to read a lot, not everybody want to read a novel, not everybody want to read books, literature और stories. फिर धीरे धीरे स्टेज आगे बढ़ के हम टेलीविज़न के दौर में आते हैं. We have all seen the televisions in our home. We have seen the big large TVs which had a very huge size kept in our living room. It was not in the bedroom, it was in the living room because we can afford only one TV at a time. And everybody had a time slot to watch their shows. So father used to watch the news in the evening, and the women and the mothers of our house used to watch the serials in the late evening or in the late, just before the bedtime. So what I'm trying to make here is, even after television we had that ऑप्शन कि हमें कौन सा शो कब दिखेगा, बट वी डोंट हैड अ 24/7 access to watch that show. For example, if I like a show named Ninja Hattori on Nickelodeons, I could watch that show only at 5 p.m. Not before that, not after that. If I want to watch Ben 10, I could watch it only at a particular channel at a particular time. I can't watch it at whatever time I want. it is a good thing that I can't watch it, but it comes with a bad thing that it's my choice that I want to do, but I'm not able to do it. But then comes the whole new generation, which we call a phone generation, which I am also part of. So we have seen the phone growing. I have seen the television as the cable wired telephone at my home, and then I'm recording this video on the mobile phone, which is not connected with anything. So this mobile phone brings a very important change in this whole thing. Mobile phone के आने से we got the access to each and every particular entertainment option that is available 24/7, which is a good thing in terms of entertainment, but it is a bad thing in terms of our life. How it is bad thing? It kills the boredom. When it kills the boredom, what it kills? It kills our inner voice. It kills our inner insight generation capability. Because the time we had for understanding, for pondering, for thinking in ourselves, to understand our deep thoughts, to discuss, to talk, to meet, we killed all those time, and we filled it with our shows, our reels, our messages. And what it leads to a very hollow kind of personality. एक ऐसा इंडिविजुअल जो अंदर से बहुत खाली, बहुत एम्प्टी, उसके पास कुछ भी डेप्थ ऑफ ओपिनियन नहीं है, नॉट फॉर द सोसाइटी बट फॉर हिमसेल्फ एज वेल. एंड दिस इज लीडिंग टू अ वेरी solo or very hollow kind of personality that is carrying around. So this is one of the major challenge, or one of the major point that I want to make, that why boredom is important. Because when you can't think, when you can't know yourself, because there is a poem of Iqbal which says, खुद के मन में डूबकर पाजा सुरागे जिंदगी, मेरा ना बनता तो ना बन, अपना तो बन, which says that if you don't know yourself, then you can't know anybody else. So to know anything in your surrounding, anything happening in your surrounding, the first thing you have to do is you have to know yourself. So with this point, I would like to end this video, where the main point that I want to raise is embrace the boredom, embrace the time that you will get bored. That is how this system is designed. You'll get the time when you will have nothing to do, but don't fill it with reels, videos, pictures, or messages, or YouTube content. Fill it with your emotions, your thoughts, your ideas, your opinions. Write it down. Read things. Talk to people. It's better to talk to people on the phone for an hour than watch a video on your phone for an hour. So we are a generation who is very, very less talkative, who is not talking at all, who is not calling at all, who is not meeting at all. Just start doing it. Thank you.